Baani abanjogeddeko nga siriwo bemba ntandikirako abo nsooke mbasabule tudde ku kirala. Baani abanjogeddeko nga siriwo benjagala mbasabule tudde ku kirala. Samo TV oyo kadama sidamba akadama. Buli kisi nti oli kadama nti ogenda kunjogerako sijja kuddamu. Siddamu bakadama. Era saagala mu kitwale bubi. Era bazze ba following nga mukimanyi. Okitegedde buli kisi nti oli kadama n'okola live ng'onvuma sikuddamu. Mwetemwetaaga mwetemu deserving my time. Mwetemwina kimuli. Era buli kadama akola live oba video nga nvuma sikuyinaako buzibu kwasi gwe sijja kuddamu. Gwe sooka oveeyo nkiddamu ogusemba. Buli kisi nti oli kadama. Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Omani, oli mu ddungu n'okola video ng'onvuma sijja kuddamu. Gwe tonnatuuka level eddibwamu. So sibanja Samo TV abo sibamanyi. I don't know those boys. So basekadama abo sibaddamu. Nziramu bali Uganda. Kwagwe Uganda eba yakulema. Kati Samo TV abo sibaddamu. Ani omulala? Mulala ki? Yanjogeddeko. Ibra K Mukasa. Oyo sijja muddamu Ibra K yagwa. Ibra K Mukasa sijja kuddamu. Longo samaziga abakadde. N'abaana bewaleke Uganda. So Ibra K gwe wagwa sijja kuddamu. You a fellow journalist Uganda yakulema. Kati gwe so yakubalira ko marusu. Buli kisi nti oli mukuyola maziga abakadde. Nga Ibra K. You a fellow journalist. Echo buganga kiwaleka mu Uganda mbwaji wafunisa olubuto. So Ibra K, you don't deserve my reply. Era buli alaba ku Ibra K mugambe yagwa Uganda yamulemerera yabomba. Bwe tunatuuka mu byokusangula abakadde papa bazikyusa batya amazigo omutono omukulu gafaanana gatya Ibra K nja kuyita. Awe nkuyitira Ibra K. Naye gwe you don't deserve. Badblack nawe wanjogeddeko. Badblack nawe sikuddamu. Mubenziramu Badblack tolimu. Siddamu ba convict. Bwoba manyi nti bakusibako n'oyingira eruzira. Nobeerako mukomera oli ex convict. So Badblack nawe sikuddamu. Omanyi kati abamwagala mbadde mufune following. Nze cash crop nzero material. Kati Badblack aba Ibra K mulwana mbadde nti mufune following sijja. So Badblack sijja kuddamu. Nziramu okuddamu Badblack nziramu MC10. MC10 yayina following. Naye kati Badblack siddamu basibe. Buli kisi ti bakusibako. Sisobola kuddamu. So Badblack, I'm very sorry. I won't reply you, my sister. I don't reply ex-convicts. Those who have gone to prison, I don't reply them. The day you are convicted is the day you lose intellectualism. So Badblack sigenda kuddamu. Try next time. Ibra K Mukasa wagwa. Ani omulala awo? Zali gwe nyenda kuddamu. In fact, mubanjogeddeko bonna Zali gwe nyenda okuddamu. Zali muntu is somebody. So Zali wampandikidde message ku TikTok nagireceive nze. Mubanjogeddeko boka Zali gwe nyenda okuddamu. Kwa yayina kyali. My sister Zali wampandikidde message ku TikTok nagifunye. Zali message yo nagirabye. Je wampandikidde ku TikTok. Nonvuma nze byannumye Zali byonna bye wanvumye nandi bigumidde. Neti wani nganye nti ninge ekimwa. Zali toyinza kutandika kuvuma mu mwago wange mbu ninge ekimwa. Andi Zali sina kibiche nayogera. Wanvumidde bwerere. Nompandika ko Zali nonvume bivumo mbu gwe kivubuka gwe omaze bangango. Godi ya Zali ojinawo. Je yanvumye. Zali ebirala byonna wandi bimvumye neti wandi mvumye mbu nine ekimwa. Ebirala byonna wanvumye nti ekitwe kininga sumbusa. Zali oyinza okunzirako nongamba mbwe ekitwa kininga sombosa. Novume ekitwa kyange Zali for the sake of your marriage. Zali nze yabba Shakibu. Shakibu abadde asula wange. Kye kimpalanya. Zali kye kinvumya. Nze yabba Shakibu. Era leero nkedde kumacha kubira Shakibu. Namuga Shakibu lwaki Zali anvuma. Lwaki Zali onumba mu inbox yange onvuma. Sibanga ku Shakibu. Neno jano nonvume ekimwa Zali. Nongamba akatweka ninga donant. Really? All for what? Zali watuse n'okuvuma mbwamaso ganinga empafu. Wamaze okuvuma nogenda novuma ne Franka Ntambi. nenga zali ekyenvumya kiki naliyo nga mwekyawa was I there bantu mumala okukola ebizibu byammwe ne mwagala ate bulemu mugisse ku bantu zali sikwananga ku Shakibu onvumira bwerere Shakibu mukwano gwange nenu jamu inbox nonvuma as if it is me who made you to separate ebyaba kyawaganya ne Shakibu sibimanyi nange nali ku internet ne muleta ebizibu byamwe abantu mukwata ebizibu byamwe ne mubireta ku internet just so many people abayina ebizibu in their marriage nete babireta ku internet bwokwata ebizibu byo nobireta ku internet ebe fuse public court ebe fuse public court bwoba oyina obutakanya ne bawo lwaki obo bireta ku internet buli woleta ebizibu ku internet public ebe ino biyingiramu kwamba musobola bisootinga in privacy people learn privacy naye mwe nyine mwabaleta ebizibu byammwe public nebiyingiramu kati ekyabadde kyenvumya kyekiru yali nange nawo opinion zange like any other Ugandan I am allowed to talk about buli ekiri ku social media because it is in the public domain. People learn privacy. Learn privacy. Ne mukwate ebizibu byamwe your marriage issues ne muzileta mu social media ku public court. Fa abalamuzi abatula mu court ya public emisango ne tugisala. Nze mulamuzi wa social media. Kati zali ekyakolese mu inbox yange onvuma onti esetise sikitegera. I'm not anyway related in your problems. Zali nange nine ebizibu byange. Nange I have my problems. Zali nange bankyawa ne bankuba n'okunkuba. Did I blame anybody? People learn to take responsibility over your actions. Learn to take responsibility over your actions. Stop blaming others. I'm a friend of Shakib. Era ne kumacha mukubidde. Namugamba sister Shakib, I'm not happy. Why has Zari entered my inbox to reach at an extent okunga mambo stretch ninga fene? Really? Onzo vuma mwana amuno nte stretch ninga fene. Zari, can you come in my inbox and you abuse me like that? No, you are going to kill me. No, threatening. Zari, I have a right to threatening abantu in this country. Who gave you right to come to people's inbox? You threaten them as if you are the president here. The warrior is not right to threaten anybody. Nobody. We are enjoying the same rights as you. Zari na wovumya abantu wano. Wavuma bali balamubo. Na wovumya abantu zali. Na wovumye. You have abused the other family. Netusirika. It was me ajane kulwanira nako zali. I don't know what mutwagala tubawana. When we tell you about your problems, then inga mutu chawa. Buli oli ati okoye public life. Okoye okogera ko daye wamwe mu kyalo. Go to Makerere funa diguli endala oberero oya. Buli oli ati okoye okogera ko. You are tired of public life. Dayo mu family yo. So Zari, I wasn't happy with you, by the way. And next time to dangamo ko threateninga. Don't threaten me again, Zari.
Thanks, Isma.
Ebyolimu simanyanja kusindika. I can open up a fight against you. Don't joke with me. Hey. Mutu mazeke emirembe abantu temwagala boogere nze abagamba mu separating with Shakib. Wasoka no vuma Sira Price. Nga bwakubira omusajja. What did Sira Price have to do with your marriage? What did Sira Price have to do with your marriage? Kwe kwasa abantu. Bwamaze Sira Price, you are coming to me. Nze Shakib tasulanga ko na wange. Bwaba Shakib azeke wange. Gwa buli gwala bamukwano gwa Shakib. Zali oina inferiority complex. I don't know what's wrong with you. Zali oina inferiority complex and you're not jejam. Wana abantu bogedde kuzuwena mukabebe kulu. Olaba kai na gwadamu. She's doing her own things. People have talked about Babi. And bano bona abachala benjogera ko Zali bakusinga. Zuwena akusinga. Babi Kyagulani akusinga. People have talked about the first lady. Zali wejemu inferiority complex. Oyagala nnyo kuwana even where it's not necessary. Abantu bavumye bebe kulu, abantu bavumye Zuwena, they don't mind. They do their thing. I've never seen Zuena ngagenda mu inbox z'abantu ngabatiisa tiisa. I've never seen Zuena doing it. I've never seen Babi Kyagulanyi. Sirabanga yo Babi Kyagulanyi ngali mu inbox y'abantu mbu abatiisa tiisa. And these are ladies who are better than you, Zari. Better than you. Era Zari woboloza mbu tujja kuwana mbu Zari mboli wa kitalo mukwano toyina bya kitalo byolimu. Get your marriage problems, tula ne Shakebo muzisolovinge. Don't include us in your nonsense. Don't include us in your nonsense. It's not funny, Zari. You come in my inbox. You threaten me, son of Mirundi, grandson of Yohana Mirundi, and you think it is funny? Because I give my opinions? When I'm talking good about you, Zari ngato nkubira. It's always Shakebo who appreciates me. Nze Zari nako mukwesiba ku bantu. Wamampa de train webale nnyo. Abayina ebirabo mbisindike. Abayina ebirabo mbisindike. Nkyano nyamabugo. Lulimu apa million 5M. Those who have gifts, send them. Nadala abayina empologoma. Sikyayagala buno obuwologoma obuto. Send big lions. Nkyasoloza mabugo. Nabati bannange. Olwamaze okuvuma navuma flanka ntambi. Zari sikyesiba ku bantu. Mututenya abantu for granted. For granted. Honestly, era nkubide frank ntambi nemuga bannange. What did I do to deserve all these abuses? Nenkubira Shakib. Nemuga Shakib, what did I do? Okuvuma bwe bati plan de mulekwa. Nze obufumbo bwange bwagana. My marriage yagana. Did I blame anybody? When my marriage refused, ne bankuba ne bakasukira ebintu ebiro. Did I blame anybody? Sicha yagala abantu kunesi bako. That I'm the problem of their problems. But Uganda, I don't want people okuteka erinnya lyange munze kizibu mu bizibu byabwe. I'm not a problem of anybody. Nobody Badblack akogerako, Zari akogerako, Ibra. Am I the only celebrity in this country? Everybody is talking about me to get likes and shares. Am I the only celeb with the following? Buzewange is the celeb asingo gobererwa mu Uganda right now. I'm the one who is trending. You want to victimize me because Mujoni I know following mu Uganda kati ye celeb asingo gobererwa. Is it me? Is it my problem? Chemva munjogerako mwe bazari. Please leave me alone. Zari, leave me alone. Badblack, leave me alone. I'm tired everybody is putting my name into their nose to get likes and shares. I've worked for this following. Is it my problem? Nabuli omu everybody mukwati junior yatunda nata senyamanyo is talking about me. Nana beba nabana bali Dubai. These idiots. Oli mu bed space. Nembwa yange magala ekusinga okusula obulungi. You are talking about me? Really? Osanyambala simanyo. Oyola biwa balabu ajude katungulu chumu. You have the audacity to talk about me? Banaye abanaku mumanyira. I saw these idiots. Biri Omani, biri Dubai, omusana gubyocheza mabina gavamwe omuka mbobiri kunze. But they want to get shares and following. Sijja baddamu. I will not reply you. Oli mu bed space ne to manyi na chapa cha takawe kifanana. Munawe wetu nozamu akasimu oli kata. Osanyambala simanyo. Osala ndiga byoya gwe mulimo gwokola. Munawe you deserve my comment gwe. To ina blue tick ku TikTok osijja kudamu. If you want me to reply you funa blue tick. Am I clear? Buli chisiti ayagala okudamu get blue tick. Pana nyotandeke kifananyi cha Jay-Z. Oli muvubuko oli Dubai otandeke kifananyi cha Rihanna nga DP. Nkudemu ntya. So please get profile pictures mufune blue tick I will reply you. Other than sina mbwa nyenda kudamu. Muvume munyongere following. Every time you talk about me people follow me. Let me tell you idiots. Make as many videos as possible. Kwa hizo videos amwezeza pesa blue tick. The more I talk about me, the more people follow me. And that's why they are here. Kali waba deto chimanyi mbona ye yo mutwe. Nti buli wavu mu omuntu obo mongera following because people will go and watch. tinayo omuntu ono gwe bavuma aina kyanjawulo ki mumpalana because I'm a planned mulekwa. Hello yo Johnny ataina sente I drive a Jamanica. Hello yo akakana kavu nazimba mukwano si kyasabirwa twaseguya. My dad left me with land. Tatange yandekera amataka in my names. Yandekere nyumba. Kati gwe echogaga choina national ID. Oli Dubai oli omani. Ne bed space dosura muto osuranga nkoko. Me son of Mirundi who has left with land to reply. Abantu mina nabe babazika. Toy ebijja babitunda nebo ofate waliwe bakuzika. But you want to get my attention. Ba mikwano. Sina budde. Naragambi, I have a meeting with the president. I'm meeting the head of state very soon. I don't have time. Sina budde. Iye. Musangule bawalabu ba mwenze muneso nyowe. My dad planned for me. Nchalia na kuseteza tata wange. I haven't eaten my money. Ngo jonza nirako lwiri. Bana kumwe muneso nyowe. I want to stay with people who love me genuinely. Bokabe njagala okusigala ku TikTok. Nze siri comedian. Sajano basa nyosa. Mbuba nange Junior jango tsaje I'm not a comedian. Mugende wa Mariachi. I'm not a comedian. Situunda ice cream mbunonya love. I don't need love. I need loyalty. Nze bafani bange mbamanyi. There are so many people who love me internationally. People who love me genuinely. Saba tukujja wano kumalako mirembe sinza kuzaala. Abantu banakumwe mutumazeeke emirembe. Ojja wano manyira sinze nnyoko. Ebyo byagala okungamba oneweesa bwa advice tuula ne nnyoko omunaku mwe advice. Tujano musinikirako ebinyo. Era Junior ojja kulaba ensi eri kuba gendo bigambe nnyoko. Nze sinza dda ku nnyoko. Mu kika kyewa mwetonda bangamu. Munzijeko akamanyiro kamwe. Have you ever seen me in your family? Bijja binzongirako. Ejja kiraba. Ojja kite ndabe kisirani mbwa nagawa. Mazike kwemanyiza balambuzi. Mazike kwemanyiza balambuzi. Kiti kyengendo kulaba. Oh, that boy needs help. Help jiwe nnyoko. This is not a charity program. Neither do I work in UN. Eno si charity. Wano sigaba sympathy. Siri munadini ayagale bya sympathy ngogenda. Saa kumanyira. So itani zino. Nemujane mwewandisa bu comment. That boy you will see. I will see what? I'm here wendi wano. Nenda labachi. Try me. What am I going to see? General Mozi knows me. By name, General MK knows me. General Sale knows me. The Speaker of Parliament knows me. Mama Kadaga knows me. Ministers know me. Nyenda labachi banakume. What am I going to see? What am I going to see? You idiots. What am I going to see? Who doesn't know me? Mwe Junior gwe mumanyi mulala. Era kasuku abasekerera. The Junior you know is different. Ono Junior wa social media ajano najinika ebinyo ne muloza ati sitegera. There is another Junior you don't know. Eddie Kenzo knows me and his wife. Bebe Kuru knows me by name. Alien Skinny knows me. Kati gwe munaku gwe nkwagazachi. What do I need from you? You idiot. Chiri Dubai cheta demu akasimu. Nyo oli mu bed space ku myaka gya 3 ononya nyumba ze tuyina sangula amaziga abawalabu mirembe musangula amaziga abawalabu mirembe temumanyira abantu olise myaka 3 mu 5 oli mu bed space nawo owensala yongali kisirani mbombo ulirira jeni yakankubuli ngobu ulirira nnyoko temumanyira esawa zabanaku zagwako kati I'm living my life bili mu overstay oliyo oli mu overstay mbijja bituzungirako bizungana herafe Junior wifi yoli kuyabwerere tumaze okuyola amaziga abawalabu kuba wifi yabwerere nojja katika kamanyire Junior I will not reply you Gwe Magala ne Julius. This is my last warning to you. Omuntu yenna ananjogerako nja mwogerako. Njagala I want this warning to go to everybody. You sit on that YouTube, you disrespect me, I'll do the same. There is no question about it. Era mwe nawe nalabye nga mukola bu video. Junior, oli mwana muto. Boba mukuru ngomeze ebyo ya matako. Let me tell you mwabakuru abali eyo. Oba mwabakulira ebika. If you are old and you have gray hair in your anus, respect yourself. Respect Sirinya. Respect his hand. They work for it. Respect is not a nickname. Jokerane wewa. Tell respect si mwana wa nyoko. Gwali eyo sibanya oli mukuru, sibanya tiyagala bakuvume, tovuma balala. Don't abuse others. Respect is two-sided. You respect me, I respect you. You put me down, I'll put you down. I don't need anybody to discuss it. Say taga kutula na muntu. You sit on that YouTube. Not andiko kumanyira njya kola chechimu. And I'll do worse. Muchitegede bulungi. Have you got it clearly? You put me down, I'll put you down. I'm good in that. Ugomuza nyongumani bulungi. Maze myaka musanvu wanu ku social media. I've spent 7 years here. Bonaba bloga bagenze bandesewo. Every blogger is come and gone. I'm here. You don't know what is protecting me. Kati gweve yo manyire. Omalonga embo oli mukuru. Akulire chikate wafe mumanyi. Temumpa bakuru bamwe. Have you heard me clearly? You disrespect me, I will disrespect you. If you want to tell me anything, nkubira simu. Buli yauli ato inacho ngamba, call me, my phone call kweri. My number is open. Negwe manyiro olabe. Aba na Uganda mu manyira. Teri yo gwanga limanyira ngaba na Uganda. Nata senyamanyo ataina na mpale munda ayamba de underwear yebituli ayagala kumanyire. It doesn't work on my end. In my world it does not work. I'm a firebrand. Nze nkubira ddala. Nkuba paka kulira bubi. Try me. Try me. You open the first shot. Bia sasa ilisoka. You want peace? Ani kugenda kuzanyira ko that hypocrisy. Who are you going to play that hypocrisy? You are hypocrites. Abantu abatufuma tembagamba. When people are abusing me, you don't tell them. When I reply back, you come out with all your nonsense playing hypocrisy. You will not play that hypocrisy on me. People abuse us every day. People demean us, you keep quiet. When we start replying, that's when you come out. Bana Junior lekerawo. Junior osuse. Webali bamvuma mwaliwa. Ngati mwabagamba ko. Webali bavuma tata wange mwaliwa. I just lost my dad. Na losing my dad. Like just like anybody. Namwe abali wano, abaina batata bamwe, you are going to lose them. It wasn't my choice that nazoku kencha nga my dad yafude. It wasn't. Why do you abuse me? Why do you abuse my late dad? Because of shares and likes. Omalo demo hypocrisy. Nze ndi mukuru. Nzo manyini nebyoya. Njja kukuvuma. People abuse my late dad and you even have the audacity to come out to defend them. Are you too stupid to understand? Omuntu ono bamuvuma. Bavuma tata we. Nga afudde. Was it my problem that my dad died? Is it my problem? Tata wanga inagwe yabba kumwe. Tata wanga inagwe yabba. Tell me, I'm asking you. Did my father steal anything from your family? That's why you belittle me? I'm asking you, Mumbulire. Did my dad steal anything from you people? That's why you are too stupid. Don't play hypocrisy on me. When I'm fighting my rights, I fight to the fullest. And nobody can stop me. When I'm fighting over my rights, abantu bakulu abantu abakulu mu gwanga nomwebozeza amagezi. Abakulu beba these days. You find old people are thieves. Nze simu yange nebula nsoka kwaza mukulu aliwo. Abantu abakulu mwebozeza amagezi. Unebyo ya mukabina, you are fake like a 10-year-old. The abakulu in this country bebozeza amagezi. Atujaga bazamu. I'll put sense in you. You joke around with me. When Vomoro Oganti or Mokuru, you'll see me. Mbati Junior, you say, Naina Komawa. Where did you want me to stop? I'm attacked. My family is attacked. You are telling me I stop. Where? Where do you want me to stop? Batandi kidewa. Kanisa kumanyira. Mvumanja kuvuma. Manyira kumanyira. Sirumba atanumbye. Nze Junior sirumba atanumbye. Era bwe nkogerako ng'owulira bubi, call me. Call me ngande Junior. Ndeka munange. I'll live in peace. Nze abantu bayite mbetondedde. Me. Nze bwe jano ngamba Junior wansobezza. I can say sorry to you by the way. Yani ugati munange. Ndabika nakoze sorry. Nze netondera Hamuza ne Rema. You remember? Netondera Hamuza ne Rema. They came to me. Nibangati omanyi Junior. We no longer want you to include us in your content. Nengamba okay, it's okay. Nali nze mubogera ku Hamuza ne Rema. I gave them their peace. Because that's how people who went to school do. Yena najano Hamuza ne mwetondera. Because I'm civil. Netondera Frank Gashumba. You remember? Navuma ko Frank Gashumba. Nene tutulane Frank Gashumba. We sort out our differences. In fact, Uncle Gashumba yaja na waka. I remember that day Frank Gashumba came at our home. Naga mama mange namugaba you Junior Mvuma. I told Frank Gashumba what really annoyed me. Ebyo ne tubyogera ko ne bigwa. Era every time Gashumba alinga tata wange. In fact, in one of the people who loved my dad, Frank Gashumba, he loved my father. Frank Gashumba yali ayagala tata wange. He's a good man. Netondera ko full figure. You remember? Because natuka seranga ebyentalo bintabi. Nzawe tukesanga I'm tired of wars. Nengamba yeba na. In fact, I apologize to Amelia. Remember Amelia Nambala. And Amelia yaja mulumbe na percent. Amelia was there for me. Amelia ino mutima omulungi. Era buli alaba Amelia Nambala mumunebalize. That lady was there when I lost my dad. Every day yajanga not 1 cent. Amelia is a good woman. Era Amelia nkutumiddeko nnyo. Nasoka ne muvuma. Nemugamba Amelia obufumbo kale wadde nali njogera mazima. Because I was talking the truth. Na abantu abamu amazima gabaluma. Kati nyenda netondera Amelia. Today me and Amelia we are very close friends. So please sagala kumanyira. If you attack me I will abuse you. If you want peace we continue. Mutendeke Edimutwe. Emisinde je yatutte mu nsiko. Dawe Edimutwe was running. Na mwaka video mwakalabye nga Edimutwe ayingira ensiko. NUP. Mutekewo inquiry ku Edimutwe. There should be a committee on Edimutwe by the way, on a very serious note. Mukama wogo yino kuma no muleka no duka Edimutwe. The way the boy entered the bush. Edimutwe you need training. Edimutwe wetaga training. Inengeri je yaduso okuyingira ensiko Edi. Yazebuzi. And Bobby Wine by the way. Mukeke Edimutwe mu training. Is taina training jamani. Erawo Edimutwe we nabadenja galo okundagira koti you were trained bodyguard. Naye waddu so oludduka. Edimutwe yabadenga buddemu ekidumosi. You might fake Edimutwe at diarrhea. The guy went to the bush to hide. The way Edimutwe ran to the bush to hide. Wadolo saguddemu diarrhea. Principal wa feta ina mukuma. Edibuli joyo kezamani. The way Edimutwe has been telling us how he will handle the guy went rain. He had to say me see the Adam and bomb. Na ye koma ya Edimutwe ya aseseza. Mwamuna byengeri je yazze ngava musiko. As if he had to seko. So anyway, principal tukusasira nnyo. Olwa documentary je wamaze season 4 ya wedde. Era abazungu mbadde ndaba ku BBC awo. Ndabye ku Al Jazeera nga luyali documentary ya wedde season 4. Kati season 5 ketandikirawo. Film star badde mu ddwaliro Bobby Wine. Naye nga bw'olaba akawundu. Nze bwe nategedde tuli mu movie. kwe abasawo kwe kuleeta ebyuma ebikwata omutima. I remember those machines zebatadde ku Bobi Wine bazitekako my dad zikwata omutima n'amawuggwe naye ng'ekiwundu kabadde kawundu nno bweka nga kali eno ku kigere wansi ne manya kati eno tutandise season 4 awe nategedde tutandise season 4 kasita nalabye nga Eddie Mutwadduka mu nsiko ne manya Espod 9 season 4 etandise Espod 9 season 4 nategedde butegeezi era Ovijje Junior wabajogera nti kabaka n'akaggala tulinde season 4 awo Ovijje Junior yakamalidde ka film nakati banange awo kabaka n'akaggala season yo jigadde bulungi principal kati abasawo bagambye injale eri sadi degree injale kati principal abasawo bagambye eki nze kasita Ssenyonyi yagambye mbwe gumba teryabise. The leader of opposition yagambye Ssenyonyi the bone is still intact. Naye nenda baseminti gwe batadde ku principal ng'amalayo okugulu ne manya luyali eno season 4. So principal injale yabadde minor. So lyabadde sasi. It was a bullet. Naye principal limu yaye nze sira nkuba yaye nga bana ba NUP ate bananga ate Mickey Wine yakisusa bamuse I wanted the what tulabanga Mickey Wine every time Bobi Wine gets a problem gwegenda ulabe Mickey Wine abakaba bamuse my brother is dead no luzungu lwo ebitege bade Mickey Wine muzanye filimo zamwe tibaina akobuzibu naye sasa lyavudde mu Chinatown. It was a bullet from Chinatown wali erugogo esasi lyabadde lya China lyavudde wali erugogo naye esasi lyalakizale teritufuukira akabasa esasi lyabadde lyalakizale bulala mama ebyuma ebikwata omutima ne bivaayo naye abasawo ery'eddwaliro lisesa the way they brought out heart machines kati principal omutima gwabadde gwanya okuba the lungs had failed to work kasita bamaze olwo Babi najja Babi yazze Babi Kyagulani ne bakuba ekifaananyi at season 5 ebe etandise era opening remarks za season 5 Babi Kyagulani ekifaananyi kye bamukubye yenna yetaddeko ka make up najja mu season 5 Babi ne bakuba ebifaananyi kasita ebifaananyi byawedde principal bamusiibudde dawe principal engeri gye bamusiibudde baana mwe muzanye movie muzanye season 5 yamwe season 4 ewedde dawe Babi Kyagulani came to the hospital smartly dressed ngozo gamba movie yenyini nabeera awo ne bakuba ebifaananyi bu video ne babukwata my husband naye nsiibula principal gye bamusiibudde neka plasta ke bamusibye njagala olabe ka plasta ke bamuwadde ne baby tekamutuuka. So all in all bwe bityo ebiri bambi nenga it was just comedy, it was drama.